A ovdje ima svega. Od igle do lokomotive. Evo baš da ima. Šta ima zanimljivo? Interesantno. Meni. To su one privestice. Hello!
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I have day off today and this is good for me. First day after 30 days.
Oh, goodness. Good for you. What
Yeah.
you going to do with your time?
Well, right now I'm making videos because I'm not from United States. I'm from Serbia and I'm going home in a couple of days and I want to make some videos from Kodiak.
You're from where?
Serbia.
Oh, really?
You know where is Serbia?
I think I know. I'm not very good at geography.
A small country in the middle of Europe. Ex-Yugoslavia. You heard for Yugoslavia?
Okay.
Ex-Yugoslavia. Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro.
Are you guys a peaceful place? Or?
Yeah, right now we are peaceful, but 20 years ago, 30 years ago we had civil war, yeah. But not like here. Here is quiet and excellent. There it's a little bit mess all the time.